infringement of a right does not have, should not have a reprieve.
No, the court has made a finding on the exercise of discretion by Senate. It has found that the Senate ought to have allowed Rigathi Gachagua more time to present his case. Remember, the National Assembly had presented its case and the witnesses had been cross-examined by Senate. So the court has simply said you should have allowed Rigathi Gachagua equality of arms. It does not take away the vote. It does not take away the 11 grounds, out of which 6 failed but 5 succeeded. Remember, in Senate, 1 ground is sufficient to impeach any person during an impeachment proceeding. And that's why the long analysis on impeachment, the provisions of the Constitution, Article 180, and how governors are impeached, the court was able to go through all that and analyze. This is a balancing act. In the end, the court balanced by paying for the injustice that it felt had been carried out by the improper exercise of discretion by Senate. But it does not in any way mean that Senate acted illegally. It merely acted at the time because it did not have material before it, the material that showed where Rigathi Gachagua was at the time. But it has said, because of that, the possibility that it should have adjourned, we will give damages. But that does not affect the impeachment. Rigathi Gachagua stands impeached. That's the position.
A quick one, Wakili. Are you saying that the process that you took Gachagua through was free and fair, yet the court actually said that he was infringed?
The process that was followed by the National Assembly, public participation, was found to have been proper. That's number 1. Number 2, Senate needed not to undertake public participation. Number 3, the court only faulted Senate for not having allowed the adjournment to the next Monday or Tuesday because there was some time. But has said that because Senate exercises discretion through a vote of senators, that decision or that final decision or outcome cannot be faulted.
What are your chances at the Court of Appeal because they filed an appeal already?
We win our cases. I can assure you that the political question doctrine will be dealt with at that point.
All right.
The independence of Senate will be dealt with at that point. And I'm sure that the Court of Appeal will not arrive at a different decision on the finality of the impeachment under Article 157 of the Constitution. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Professor, thank you so much. That is...